In this video, I'll show you how to troubleshoot a Wise app transfer failed error. If your transfer in the Wise app has failed, start by opening the app and signing into your account. Tap on the failed transfer and read the status message carefully. Wise usually provides a reason for the failure, which can help you identify the problem quickly. Next, check your payment method. If you paid with a bank account, debit card, or credit card, make sure the payment was not declined by your bank. If necessary, contact your bank to confirm there are no restrictions on the transaction. After that, review the recipient's information. Check the recipient's name, bank account number, IBAN, SWIFT code, or any other banking details. Even a small mistake can cause a transfer to fail. Now, make sure your Wise account is fully verified. Go to your profile and look for any pending verification requests. Wise may require additional documents before processing certain transfers. Next, check that you have enough funds available if you're paying from your Wise balance. A low balance can prevent the transfer from being completed. After that, update the Wise app to the latest version and make sure you have a stable internet connection. Sometimes technical issues can interrupt the transfer process. If the transfer still fails, check your email inbox for messages from Wise. They often send an explanation and instructions on how to resolve the issue. Finally, if none of these steps work, contact Wise support through the help section in the app. Provide your transfer reference number so they can investigate the problem and help you complete the transfer. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to troubleshoot a Wise app transfer failed error. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.